Hi there, I'm Liam Montier from Big Blind Media, and we're going to talk to you about our brand new release, which is a huge digipack extravaganza covering all of card magic. It's 8 discs and it starts off with the Ultimate Self-Working Card Tricks Volume 1, our critically acclaimed and best-selling DVD of world-class material that anyone can do. It then moves through all of the Moves projects that we've released, which is 6 discs covering a huge array of sleight of hand. So that means you get the Ultimate Self-Working Card Tricks Volume 1, it means you get the Elmsley Count project, the Double Lift project, the False Shuffles and Cuts project, the Forces project, the Controls project, and also the Ultimate Impromptu Card Magic project. So you can get this huge collection of magic at an absolutely crazy price that will move you from card zero to card hero.